What happens when one of Italy's most exotic motorcycle manufacturers teams up with Germany's legendary performance experts? The answer is right here, the all-new 2027 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 ABT. It's more powerful, more exclusive, and more aggressive than ever before. Built in an extremely limited production run, this could be one of the most desirable hyper-naked motorcycles of the year. Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the Brutale 1000 ABT immediately stands out from the standard model. Thanks to ABT Sportsline, the bike receives exclusive carbon fiber components, unique aerodynamic winglets, custom forged wheels, and a signature livery inspired by high-performance automotive design. Every detail has been carefully refined to improve both style and performance, making this one of the most striking naked bikes ever built. And because it's a limited edition, each motorcycle comes with its own number plaque, making every unit truly collectible. Engine V performance. Power comes from MV Agusta's incredible 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine. In standard form, it produces an astonishing 201 horsepower. But with the optional aero racing exhaust and dedicated ECU, output climbs to an incredible 208 horsepower for closed-course use. MV Agusta has also revised the transmission with updated gear ratios and a shorter final drive, giving the Brutale even stronger acceleration while maintaining its thrilling top-end performance. Whether you're attacking mountain roads or dominating a race circuit, this machine is built to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Technology. Performance isn't just about horsepower. The Brutale 1000 ABT features Öhlins semi-active electronic suspension that automatically adapts to changing road conditions. Stopping power comes from Brembo Stylema brakes, while advanced rider aids include cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes. Everything is managed through a modern TFT display with smartphone connectivity, giving riders complete control over every aspect of the motorcycle. Perhaps the biggest highlight is its exclusivity. Only 130 units of the 2027 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 ABT will be produced worldwide, making it one of the rarest hyper-naked motorcycles you can actually own. So the question is this the ultimate hyper-naked motorcycle of 2027? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the latest motorcycle news from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.